Hi everyone, I'm Clay and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are dealing with a common challenge for anyone creating screen recordings or video tutorials: unwanted background noise. Whether it's the hum of your computer fan, keyboard clicks, or even distant chatter, these distractions can significantly impact on the professionalism and the clarity of your content. Nobody wants their audience struggling to hear their voice over annoying sounds. Thankfully, ActivePresenter offers not one, but two helpful ways to reduce the noise and make your audio crystal clear. So we will now explore both the powerful AI noise removal and the traditional manual noise reduction techniques in ActivePresenter. Let's dive in. First up, let's take a look at ActivePresenter's incredibly convenient AI noise removal. This is a game changer, which has just been included since version 9.3. So if you haven't updated, quickly go to the Help tab, choose Check Updates, and start updating your app right away to own this feature. And if you are new to ActivePresenter, simply go to the description box below and click on the download link I leave there. Choose version 9.3 for your Windows or Mac OS, but make sure that your device meets the system requirements first. Back to our workplace. To use AI noise removal, first, select the audio object you want to clean up. Then, choose this icon on the timeline pane. One click, and ActivePresenter will intelligently reduce unwanted background noise. Today, I'm going to show you the AI noise removal feature in ActivePresenter. Now, let's move on to the manual noise reduction method. Select the whole track or a range of your audio object and look at the options on the timeline pane. Click the drop-down arrow next to the audio noise reduction button. Then select Get Noise Profile to make the app recognize the noise profile first. A tip is that you should choose a range from 2 to 4 seconds. Shorter range makes the app unable to get the noise profile. Now, apply the noise reduction feature to the whole track or to the range you want by choosing it first. Then, click the Audio Noise Reduction button. A noise reduction dialog will appear to let you customize. The noise reduction option ranges from 0 to 48 dB. The sensitivity implies how much of the audio is considered as noise. The higher the number, the more the noise is removed, but the more the track can be damaged. My recommended numbers for these options are as on the screen. Then click OK to apply the settings. You will now see the changes in the waveform of the audio. In cases when the noise is not fully eliminated, or there are many different kinds of background noise to reduce in different parts of the audio track, you should repeat the process several times. Today, I'm going to show you the AI noise removal feature in ActivePresenter. So, the question is, which method should you choose? AI noise removal is fantastic for quick and easy cleanup of consistent background noise and is ideal for beginners or when you need fast results. Manual noise reduction offers more control and is better suited for removing specific types of noise or for achieving more precise results. It can require a bit more effort but can be very effective. Finally, one more reminder. Though these tools are truly powerful, the best way to reduce the noise is to minimize it from the very beginning. Try recording it in a quiet environment, using a good quality microphone, and be mindful of any possible potential distractions. I hope that you now understand two ways to reduce the background noise in ActivePresenter. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more ActivePresenter tutorials and let us know in the comments which method of noise reduction you like, AI or manual. Alright, goodbye for now and see you again in the next video.